Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to make kimchi kimbap. So this is rice. I prefer to make kimbap with this kind of sticky rice because I want the rice to stick well on kim. But prepare any type of rice of your choice and we will marinate it with sesame oil, salt, and some sesame seeds. And just mix it well. And here we're gonna cook our kimchi. Put some sesame oil. You can also put raw kimchi in kimbap, but I personally really like cooked kimchi flavor, so I will cook it. You know what? I'll just cook everything. Medium-high heat. Looks really good. So cook until the kimchi becomes like this, very soft. I really like to cook my kimchi thoroughly because when it's thoroughly cooked, the cabbage produces natural sweetness to it, so I really love it. Done. And we will use this carrot and julienne it with the peeler. I am adding this carrot to add just some more crunchiness in my kimbap, but it's totally optional. If you don't like carrot, you don't have to use it. If you want to add other vegetables, you can also do that. Also, you can add like tofu, vegan cheese, like all the ingredients that you want to add. Roll. So there's one smooth part and other a little bit rough part. So rough part should come inside. So like this. And put your rice. I want to make 2 rows, 2 kimbap. So I'll use half of the rice that I made. So I will use like really thin layer of rice. You know what, actually, I think I'll just use all of the rice because it looks really little. So, yeah. So, do you see what I did here? This part, rice, here, no rice. And then we're gonna add some sesame oil here so that the kim will stick well. Sesame oil, like just brush it a little. This is good. And then we add some kimchi. Yum yum. Oh, smells really good. And let's roll this. I'm also not really good at rolling kimbap. Oh, I'm trying my best. Okay, good.